This is SCHEELS in Lincoln, Nebraska. It's more than just a sporting goods store. It's a little aquarium. I really like the idea of having a Ferris wheel inside the store. In the center location of the building, I also like the idea of placing windows on the rooftop. It gave an outdoor feeling to the spot. Arcade with the SCHEELS. Abraham Lincoln robot, which is kind of surreal, gives the famous Gettysburg Address repeatedly. Unfortunately, they are not live animals, but I believe this has some educational value, especially for little kids. Bowling alley is 2 lanes, kids won't be bored. There's cafe for small meals and desserts. For active kids, they have whatchamacallit. You're greeted by Abraham Lincoln as you come in and leave. Come to Lincoln, Nebraska. Come check out this place, it'll be fun.